Welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Aaron Miles, and my mission is to help millions of people burn fat, lose weight, and regain control of their health. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful times to burn fat is while you're sleeping? Yes, your body has an incredible ability to heal, repair, and burn fat overnight when you support it the right way. Over time, our bodies become overloaded with toxins. These come from the environment, the air we breathe, the processed foods we eat, and even certain medications we may need to take. Your liver is the body's main detox organ, working non-stop to filter out these toxins. But when the liver becomes overwhelmed, fat burning slows down, especially stubborn belly fat. That's why cleansing and supporting your liver is one of the most important steps for weight loss. After extensive research, I discovered a powerful nighttime drink made with simple, natural ingredients that help your body detox, boost metabolism, and burn fat while you sleep. Let's break down why each ingredient matters. Lemon is a natural detoxifier packed with vitamin C. It helps maintain a healthy pH balance, supports liver cleansing, and promotes better digestion. Lemon also encourages regular bowel movements, helping your body eliminate waste more efficiently, an essential step for fat loss. Ginger has been used for centuries as a medicinal root. It contains gingerol, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger helps lower blood sugar, improves digestion, speeds up stomach emptying, and increases calorie burn, while also reducing hunger and cravings. Cinnamon is a metabolic powerhouse. It helps boost metabolism, improves insulin sensitivity, and stabilizes blood sugar levels, all critical factors for weight loss and for people concerned about type 2 diabetes. Honey, used in small amounts, does more than sweeten the drink. It supports the release of serotonin, which improves mood and later converts into melatonin, the hormone responsible for deep, restful sleep. When consumed before bed, honey can help the body switch into fat-burning mode during early sleep hours. Now here's the ingredient that truly takes this drink to another level: matcha green tea powder. Matcha is rich in antioxidants and catechins, which dramatically increase fat oxidation and metabolism. It contains L-theanine, an amino acid that calms the mind, reduces stress, and promotes relaxation. While matcha does contain a small amount of caffeine, it works differently, providing calm focus without disrupting sleep for most people. Compared to regular green tea, matcha is more concentrated and far more powerful for weight loss and overall health. Small diamond fat burning night drink recipe: use 1 glass of water, 8 ounces. Add 1 teaspoon of matcha green tea powder, half a lemon, peeled but keep the white pith, half a teaspoon of grated ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a small amount of raw honey or natural sweetener if desired. Blend everything well until smooth. Drink this 1 hour before bedtime. Many people report deeper sleep, improved digestion, and noticeable fat loss, especially around the waist. If you are sensitive at night, you can also drink this in the morning on an empty stomach. Feel free to adjust the ginger or cinnamon to your taste. Both only enhance the benefits. Remember this: your body wants to heal. It wants to burn fat. It wants to restore balance. Sometimes, it just needs the right support. This simple nightly ritual isn't about starvation or punishment. It's about working with your body, not against it. Small habits, done consistently, can create life-changing results. Tonight could be the night you take back your health, your confidence, and your future. If this message helped you, share it with someone you care about. Leave a comment below and tell me how your journey is going. And most importantly, believe in your body's power to change. Make today a great day.